you're scared to buy Bitcoin right now, let me tell you something. You are acting exactly like everyone else in history. Right now, almost half of all Bitcoin holders are underwater. They bought higher. They are in loss. They are emotional. And historically, this is the exact moment people look back at and say, I wish I bought more. Let me show you why this chart is one of the most important indicators in crypto and how smart money uses this chart. This chart that you see here shows Bitcoin percent supply in profit. When the line is high, most holders are in profit. When the line is low, this means most holders are losing money. Look at the green zone at the bottom. These are moments when 50%, 60% of holders were underwater. And these zones happened in mid-2022, in early 2023, and again, it is happening right now. Every single time Bitcoin entered these zones, it was close to a generational buying opportunity. Now, look at the red zones on the top. Those are moments when 90% of holders were in profit, and these moments marked the cycle tops. That's when influencers told you to buy. That's when retail was euphoric, and that's when smart money was actually selling. Markets are designed to transfer money from the emotional to the patient, and when everyone is underwater, fear dominates. You look at the fear and greed index right now. Fear has been dominating for the past 3 months. People capitulate. Headlines say Bitcoin is dead. But smart money thinks differently. They see maximum pessimism equals maximum opportunity. When everyone is in profit, greed dominates. TikTok gurus and YouTube gurus appear. Your friends start asking about crypto. That's when risk is highest. And this chart is literally a fear and greed master for Bitcoin holders. And it tells you a lot. Now, let me tell you a quick story. In March 2020, Bitcoin crashed below $4,000. More than half of all holders were underwater. People thought crypto was finished. Fast forward, 12 months later, Bitcoin hit $60,000. The same people who panic sold were tweeting, I wish I bought more. Then again, in 2022, Bitcoin dropped under $16,000. People said it would never recover. And yet, the next cycle, it rallied massively again. So history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes violently. Today, we are now back in this zone. Half of the holders are underwater. Sentiment is terrible. People are uncertain. Crypto Twitter is divided. The fear and greed index is showing us extreme fear. This doesn't mean, of course, that the bottom is guaranteed. We might not see the bottom over the next couple of weeks, over the next couple of months. This doesn't mean price can't go lower. For sure it can. But historically, this is where long-term risk-reward flips in favor of buyers. And this is what I want you to understand. This zone is where smart money accumulates. This zone is where smart investors DCA. Use the dollar cost averaging strategy. This is where emotional traders sell to disciplined investors. Smart money, of course, doesn't buy tops. They scale in when most people are underwater. Of course, what I'm telling you right now, it doesn't mean you go all in, you use leverage, you bet your rent money, you bet your food money on that. No, it means that you start accumulating slowly. You start scaling in. You think in 2 to 5 years time frames. You focus on probability, not on emotions. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Time in the market beats timing the market always. So focus on that. Focus on learning. Focus on understanding where we sit in the cycle. Because every cycle, the story is the same. When Bitcoin is cheap, people are scared. When Bitcoin is expensive, people are greedy and confident. And when half of the holders are underwater, like what we see right now, that's when future millionaires quietly build positions. You don't get rich buying what everyone loves. You get rich buying what everyone hates before they love it. We as human beings never learn, but I'm sure you can.